from the heart of the ghetto, from the violence in the heart of Mobile, Mount Salem, you see me? Yeah man, a Canal Lane, where they call jungle. All about in Mobile until I start with the farming and thing. I'm proud of myself which part I reach right, you know, you see me? And which part I come from, I now go back. Alright people, you know see some Sarsaparilla I go look right now. See me have the tool here, the great tool, the picker. You know you have to have the machete and the picker to dig it. So come along with me, come see what I go on. If you have asthma, this is the #1 thing for asthma. If you have asthma, you boil it. If you have skin irritation, if you have sickle cell, you boil it and thing. You see me? It's also good for cancer to said way. Me as a youth always I try to give people some price so I know they can afford. Me not born rich, me not come from a rich background. Me struggling in life, so me see a man sell a thing for $50 and me can sell it for $30. Me I go sell it for $30 because me don't know, me just can't go hard from people. I saw me stay from me just a start out my thing. Watch out, look on the size. Watch out, you see the size of it? Rat then do. Rat! Rat. You see me? I'm do me bad. Watch out, bro. Jesus Christ. I don't know normal, is it?
My God.
Yeah.
Sarsaparilla.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. My brother, morning time. Glad to see you again. Generally up in the hill. I don't know it take a journey to go up to the farm. So this is where it starts from. See the road there right so. So we've been walking a little bit from down there. So we're heading up on the hill now to go up on the farm. The last time on a rough view today I say yo yeah. But it was the first time. So you know we're going to take on the journey again. At that time was actually the first time, and I tell you, to go through, to take on this journey, even if I'm not the first time, I tell you, it's not normal. This is actually a steep hill. Let me show you again. So I go on there, and the general, Jamar there. Big up again, bro.
Yeah, man, me there. I go in the hills and I show me all the things, you see it?
True.
Remember, you know, people, me always tell you, say how the journey is not a normal journey. I'm also on a belief, so I witness it today and see what I go on.
Alright. Yeah, so take a look at this. So this is one of the first stop them way. You normally take a look on that. This is super steep. You drop over here, a pure precipice over them place.
Yeah, man, you drop over there, so.
A crazy rollings, man. Yeah, straight down on the main I go back though.
Yeah, straight down on the main. Once when I go look at Sarsaparilla, the journey where I go, I feel left about 4 o'clock in the morning time. So my time I say I left 4 o'clock and I reach 6 o'clock. So check that. Be sure and I'm in a ease up on the walking.
2 hours of walking?
Yeah, man, me with my phone light. And I just walk and then I just sit down when I reach 6 o'clock now. I sit down and I rest till about 6:30, then I just start doing what I do. You see me? Yeah, man, that's what I do.
And like over there, so now, I just kickstart it by saying, you know, Jamar is a great youth. So, he's not just a farmer. He's a great youth. He's a great father.
Yeah.
Get that. He's a great youth. He's a great father. He's a great farmer also.
Yes, definitely.
You see me? A herbalist.
What you mean, man?
You understand?
That part there.
So much greatness in a bro, right? That's something I tell you.
You bring up the herb. Because yesterday when I go look some herb, I make the people, I make a video and I tell the people, them say, like, when I look the herb, you have to look at them at time, you have to avoid the new moon day.
At certain time?
At certain time, because I say if you look at anything you look, right now if you fall a tree on the new moon day, a bear weevil go take it. If you fall a tree on the new moon day, it weevil go take it. Alright, you see if this is see this is our mango tree now. So if you want to kill a tree and you don't want to cut it down on the new moon day, you just use the machete, you chop right around, you take off the peeling, but you don't touch it. So if you put your hand on it like this, if you put your hand on it like this and chop it, it will still alive. You have to don't touch it and chop off the skin.
So once you put your hand on it?
Once you put your hand on it, it's not go dead.
For real?
Yeah man.
Wow.
Yeah, I tell you, it might sound a way, but a reality.
Reality.
Yeah, just chop around it on the new moon day.
Without
It not go dead same time, but eventually it go dead. If you try anytime else, it's not dead. On the new moon day, terrible thing.
So does this goes for every other tree or is it certain?
Every other tree, any other tree and thing.
So even the plants them, like they go look like certain medicine and so like Sarsaparilla.
Yeah, if you look at the time there, it all run out of belly and all them way there, so if you drink it.
Okay.
You avoid 3 days after the new moon.
So 3 days after the new moon?
You can start the yard.
Can start? Okay.
Now, bro,
Eh?
I think it was Foodland, is it?
Oh.
Yeah. From Sarsaparilla now, bro. I write some Sarsaparilla wrong there, right?
Yeah.
And when I me reap them, some I see them they drop and turn there, and of them can grow back in a Sarsaparilla and tree there, you know.
My God.
You see me? Yeah man, they can drop a ground.
Oh my word. So them see that just drop?
Yeah, it does
And
drop.
see Sarsaparilla?
And Sarsaparilla on it.
Wow.
Alright, watch out. See them? See how them just drop. I go pick them, yeah.
Oh, it open up with the seed them.
Yeah.
So
what I go do now, I go pick them, pluck them, put on the seed them for dry because at July, August, we plant Sarsaparilla ready for Christmas, you know.
that's what I just said I got ask.
Yeah man, July.
When
August.
yeah.
Alright, I plant for me them August still. Because you say if I plant it too early. What is
Hear something?
my phone here.
Oh.
Yeah, you see we plant it too early, it will come in before the December and it will go rotten rain. Because we have get rain them in a Christmas time.
Yeah. And you know what? You want the best I crop them. You want them.
I go plant some in July for ready early. I go plant some in August because I always plant Sarsaparilla 28th of August. Always. A day there. Me never. Always. You see the only way for not plant it that time there, unless you know, because you know every year the moon it change and so.
Yeah.
You see that one, bro? That one there right here, so. I type first planting. I make it plant.
You know that?
Yeah. But guess what make it take so long to come up? Bora did in it.
Bora.
Same Bora thing. You just the one place and now move. I have to get ashes, show the root. Get the ashes and show from up here, so. And one thing in the mokia, we just show it in there and it go down in it and they kill out the Bora them and then it start move. You know how much years this place and now move?
So this is a crop a easy. Yeah. She plant banana too?
No, that's the plant.
Oh, yeah, I love the fox there. Yeah, she coming out the bush with it, bro.
Yeah, man.
And can do.
And she a 4 year old.
And she a 4. Oh, yeah. She's actually 4. And she planting. My God. Whoa. You sure know what going on? We not cut it in a drop it. Yeah. What? Out there again. Oh, wow.
Soon ready to cut, you see me?
She plant this too?
Yeah, man, she plant that one here.
Wow.
This is the one we may have with a show up on the camera, you see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Say, you know, when this ready to cut, you know, hopefully that day she available.
Yeah, man,
so she can come.
Yeah, man, she Africa there.
Yeah. And see when it a cut and thing.
See one just a shoot, this one just shoot them. Them two they soon shoot too. Two they right there, so them they soon shoot.
Wow.
See that one, bro? Drop them what they some hard breeze with that blow, you know.
Planting also.
Yeah. Some hard breeze with that blow.
And
you root it up and drop it at ground.
Oh man. Root out the whole of it.
Christmas.
Them already up for Christmas,
Yeah,
right?
man. Ready.
Nice.
Remember when me just plant them and me I tell the people, me say, people, them are ready for December, you know. At April. April, May. Think of April, yeah. April me plant them. And me I say, people, them are ready for December. And look on them now.
Wow.
You see me? And me I go plant some Saturday I come in a full moon. Yeah, but we not ready for December still, you know, but probably, you know, say like January, February.
Yeah.
Yeah, but them are ready for December.
Alright.
You see me? Yeah, man. You see the blossom them, cans, them are come up, you know.
So these are a sweet corn, right?
Yeah, man, sweet corn.
These are sweet corn.
Yeah.
Them the a rain mash them up, you say?
Yeah, man, rain.
Rain.
And the sun, whenever did I get enough? The sun, mother say the sun.
Never da get it.
Whenever did I get no water.
No water.
I have to carry water from the river. Because remember say vegetable and something they have to get water and sun. You can't get too much water, you can't get too much sun, you see me?
But in that time it never da get much. You never da get much rain.
No, be a sun. One time I come up and look on them and I say, Jesus Christ, you see me look withered down like them I go dead, you know? And I start carry water from the river. We up on the hill, come and water them. And I said, John, it's too much for me, I can't bother them, I just left it till a couple of days after we get a 1 day with a rain and thing, you see me? Yeah,
But by then, them they spring back after that or
then it spring up back and say, you see me?
Okay. Nice. But these batch over here, so those batch different.
Yeah, man,
Those batch over there different. These batch
So,
way more
batch,
younger. Yeah, younger batch. Yeah, man.
Actually, bro. Still have carrot 1 and 2 said we. It? Still have said we. Yeah, man. So I go through and reap them out and make some juice. You see me? So natural carrot juice. You see it, bro?
Nice. So all of these.
Yeah, so we
Yeah. So all this section where the carrots are now, you have to pull them out with
sweet potato. Yeah, I go put sweet potato right here. Right here, so. You know, say, bro, alright, you know, say, I dasheen me the plant here, so first, you know. I move the dasheen and put the carrot. So I go move the carrot and put some sweet potato. Because them land here, sweet potato land, you see me? Yeah. I see that crack here. And you go see that crack here in the dirt. I make it and get a good view. Hold on. You see crack, dirt crack, so you know it's a sweet potato underneath it. Ready.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, man.
Whoa.
You see crack. I want me. So I go now.
Whoa.
Some of them are just one alone and bear one single one. And some of them bear all 4.
Yeah, that's what I was going to ask.
Yeah.
How the amount.
Yeah, man, some of them bear enough, some of them just bear only one alone.
So it says not all the time you get a lot.
No, not
them.
all the time. This is just one look one, you know. Well ripe, you know. Simple as you lick, you see it.
Wow.
Yeah, man.
Sweet potato.
Yeah.
Oh.
Good for bake your pudding, you know.
Yeah. Amazing.
Yeah,
One
man.
of the main ingredient.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Sweet potato pudding. But about the tree though.
Yeah.
Like how when you finish harvesting, does the tree die down?
Yeah, man, it died down. You have to transplant. You just. That one broke. show you example. See sweet potato slip, you know, you call this a slip. You just cut it off like this. And then I just pick up the dirt and just set it like this. And then it bears sweet potato. You see how simple? Yeah man, that's it.
Wow.
Yeah man.
So it's not about going out to buy new sucker or
No,
buy this
no,
or buy
no,
that.
no, no,
From your
no.
take out, from your harvest.
So you harvest it.
That's the main
That's it.
process.
Yeah, yeah. That's a big one, you know. Watch out, look on the size. Watch out, you see the size of it? Rat then do.
Rat.
Rat. You see me? Them a do me bad. I know say bro, from me I do farming since 2020, me never have them problem with the rat. And since the hurricane, me just see rat a come in, me know where them a come from. So one more level them bite up this again.
My God.
Look on the size of my sweet potato them bro, watch out. See it's not normal.
Jeez, bro.
So,
Wow.
yeah man. Watch out bro. Jesus Christ.
God.
I don't know normal, is it?
My God. Watch ya, man.
Watch out again bro, watch out. Watch out. Watch out.
A lot of people want to know,
Yeah.
how do you sell your produce?
Alright, normally me always like go to the market and go sell it, but me never really like go far out. So now and then would like charter a vehicle and go down the country, like all Manchester, St Elizabeth and them place. But through me not have a vehicle for myself now, kinda hard. But me see people link me from all about. People tell me in a Mobile and Hanover say yo say banana them a sell it for $1,000 a dozen. And to tell you the truth, me could never, no care how it rough and how it stand blow down and it blow down the thing them, me could never go so hard for poor people, I swear.
Wow.
I rather if you not sell it then. If I so be the case, I rather put it down on my yard or give away. I not sell it so there. I can't do it. You see me, so you see, that's why I want a vehicle, that's me can go back for my journey them and go sell my things them. You see me? Yeah man, because I like go far out, you know. 14 parish of Jamaica, so I like go and go do my thing. You see me, I say bro? Yeah.
This is where that GoFundMe comes in place. Jamar has a GoFundMe. If you guys want to donate, please, me I beg you know, if I even want $10, because every mickle make a muckle. That's how we roll here in Jamaica.
Yeah.
As a young youth, I mean country, but you know some talk. As a young youth, every mickle make a muckle for we. Jamar have the GoFundMe. Him travel miles daily up in these hills. And to carry back all these produce back down to the front, because car can't come nowhere up them place here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yo, how do you do that? Explain to them and tell them how do you do that? Like these now. This is just a small amount.
Yeah.
But to carry down pounds and pounds worth of stuff.
Pounds,
Explain.
100 and hard. When me the last amount I load me carry from bush, 150 pound of yam. And upon my back me carry. Me not can say me carry upon my head, my back I go hurt me. So me have one sling for my bag and me put it on my head and bring it. And a miles me I walk from. And I like them farm there where they are St Elizabeth, where you can't drive go to your farm. No road not there on my farm. If you drive you have to walk. You see me? Yeah man. So me just when you see me I go so hard with them a farm, I can imagine if me have a farm and I could have drive vehicle and get tractor plow it. A crazy thing man, you see me? Yeah.
Wow. Wow. Travel miles with all those loads and then still have to charter a vehicle.
Yeah man, charter a vehicle if you go out and go sell it, you see me?
The GoFundMe is...
And the thing about it bro, I true like me no make video more while all 9 o'clock up here in the night me I carry down load. Make trips. First me have all the cabbage them. Like me go a far bush cause the yam them you know then they are far bush. You have to go look there and me come back. Me cool off, me come up here dig sweet potato, full one bag, full cabbage. Me carry down the bag there, come up back sometime 9 o'clock at night me up here with my phone light. You see me in a farm I look things to bring down back a yard and I have to clean them up. Sometimes I go to my bed at 2 o'clock and I have to wake up by say 4 o'clock if touch the road or else if I far out me I go. You see me? Yeah man. I dey on all the market more while I just asleep so cause I'm tired, you see me? Yeah.
And with all of that, him still have to charter a vehicle for do all of them.
Yeah.
After doing all of those work, him still have to charter a vehicle. So as I said, the donation, please help out with the donation. The GoFundMe link is there. Me put my little already. Him never know that. Me know this is a surprise to him.
Yeah.
Because the thing is, some people don't donate. What do you call it? You call them people that way. You know see them hide them info when them do it. When like when them donate, you're not have to anonymous.
Anonymous.
Yeah. You just know that. Me know that's a surprise.
Yeah, because a surprise to me. We never know. We just
but
know
you don't know.
it.
Am I bridging this?
Yeah.
And from the first time we see that up, we have to give that strength. But if you don't know who can help, please do so. And we're there up on the farm. You see them sweet potato here, man. Jesus, this.
Come at them, you see anyone else in trouble, the beer a whole it always in the hill, if you notice.
One of my rat in trouble.
See them bro, they're nice and pretty man.
Nice.
You know. So I want to develop some more so. No, trouble that one yet. Yeah, man.
Wow.
Alright bro, alright, yeah. Just remember now, you have 2 types of sweet potato. You notice how this one round. I don't see no creases. And this one, you see the creases. Alright, they leave them, the creases one. That's how you leave them look. So, one of the creases and the round one now, so you leave them broad. Just look on the difference, you notice?
Oh, hold on, show me next one.
You see,
First,
this one here, and this beer, that one here with the creases.
And this
broad leaf one, the smooth one. Yeah.
Oh, so the two of them
different
in a one?
Yeah, in a one.
Are them different, but the two of them in a one?
Then then different, yeah. So in time.
Hold on, are two different sweet potatoes?
Two different sweet potato, yeah man, the broad leaf one and this. If you look on them leaf, you see them one a broad? I saw them other leaf and narrow, yeah.
So you plant the two of them together?
Two plant them together, mix them.
Them have a different sweet potato, the another color. Which one's that?
Them have some other one. I never plant them one, but I know one them. I never plant. I always want to get some I slip them for plant, to catch the reed, but I never get it. But I want. I know one them I talk. But two of them I want to originate, I deal with bro. So yeah.
Naturally. Are you a commercial or subsistence farmer? Commercial meaning you go out there for the people them, you plant for out there for the people them, or subsistence meaning it's just you and your family. Or is a little in between. Let me know, because we know you plan for your family, for yourself also.
Yeah man, alright.
But is it that you naturally is a commercial farmer, or you just in between?
Yeah, commercial. Me plant and go out there go sell, and me have on the side too. Well, Friday Sunday now, me carry down 150 pound of yam from bush. So in time I go to my yard, I take out 10 pound of that. So this is for your family, and the rest me carry go to market. Yeah, that's how I do it. Yeah, man.
Because you have to eat too.
Yeah, exactly. Wow. You see me? Yeah. The sun, what did I get the other day? Kind of spoil up most of them. Because whenever they get no water, I know in a farming, you have to have water and sun. You can't get too much water, can't get too much sun. It have to in between. You see me? Little sun, little water. You can't too much sun, too much water. You now go healthy for the farm. You see me? But me give thanks said way because me still see you back like you know what I mean?
True.
Yeah, and that now go disencourage me from work. It don't go motivate me to work harder and smarter, you see me?
How do you price your produce?
Like
How you price them? How you get your prices? Like you look.
alright, me tell you how me get my price. Me go out in the street, go in the market, and me look and listen the price where the people then sell for. And then me decide if me want to give the same price or me fi give a lower price. You see me?
True.
Me not just get up and jump and just give one price for me. Go out there in the street and say, the man there sell it for $10. So it's either me sell it for $10 or me say, alright, $8. You know? Yeah, so me do it. Alright, you see from me know myself and me I do farming, me as a youth always I try to give people some price and I know they can afford. Because I know say, me a poor people, you know. Me not born rich, me not come from a rich background. Me struggling in life, so me I go always look out for other poor people and things. You see me? So if me in a street and me see a man a sell a thing for $50 and me can sell it for $30, me I go sell it for $30 because me don't know, me just can't go hard on people. I saw me stay from me just a start out my thing. Anybody who support me in a business, them can never say Jamar if I give them a high prices. Me always I try to give them the low price. Me I'll tell people price already. And people buy from me. And one time then done buy, then said to me say, you know, see even though me purchase thing, but I give you something though. You need to step up a price, man. Yeah, people who buy from me tell me that. Yeah, you see true, I'm planted by myself to said way.
True.
Yeah, but me just can't go hard on poor people, you see me? Me have conscience, you see it, I just me that.
That is it, right?
Yeah, man, you have to have conscience.
conscience.
Yeah, you see it.
True. Are there a lot of farmers in this area that
Yep.
you are?
Yeah, man, a lot of farmers there here.
True.
Couple farmer well in the place. As you can see, if you look at most hillside farmer there here, we don't have enough level land hillside, so we have to just work with what we have. You know them way there? Yeah.
How do you decide which crop you plant in a specific season?
Alright, yeah. Like the question that we ask now. Alright, you see like now are the best time of to plant cabbage because I guess you know. We have whole heap of sun, as you can see, a sunshine now, you see me? And whole heap of farmer now go and plant it because first if you don't have no water irrigation system, you now go and plant because you know the cabbage you have to have water, water it, because if you don't water it, it will go dead, you see me? So whole heap of farmer now go and plant cabbage because them know say they now go have the water for water it. Scotch bonnet also you have to have water said way, you see me? And no farmer now through a summer now and they now no water, they now go on. So you see if you have your water system now and you put it together and you put in and crop there, you make money.
In a time.
In a dem time. You see me you have to study the thing now and say alright, you know, say a summer now, sun hot, whole heap of farmer now go and plant this, you know, because they don't have the water, so they are going to leave it out. You see me? So if you determine and you have the water and say alright, that you are going to do, you bingo.
Wow.
You see me? So you see like all down in August now, when it come on to Christmas, come down to rain time, whole heap of man go planting, so it go come in vaga enough because we are going to get the water and the rain, so man go put in the crop enough. And that's why you see things come up so much at times and then have a period of time it just go right down back. You see me?
Oh,
Yeah.
wow. Nice. And yeah man, I know you used to you call the book there. At the McDonald's?
McDonald's. You know me
Oh,
use it?
you don't use it?
Me not use it. Me work off of the moon.
Moon.
Inna the
Where you
sky.
work? Ah,
Yeah,
that's what I was going to go mention again. Yeah, man, I always talk about the moon.
You see the moon now. You see, when you look in the sky, you see the moon look like sea. So, you see no plan.
Them call that crescent.
Increase moon.
Increase.
Yeah, increase moon.
Yeah, that's what you call it.
Yeah, man.
A crescent, me know it. A crescent, me know it. So you call it increase moon.
Yeah. Increase moon, decrease moon. They have first quarter, last quarter.
So alright, so the sea. You know what times the sea turn different angle, right?
Man.
So it no matter which one.
No matter once you see it see so. You plant in time the same as you see long and so you get the plant and see them long. Yeah, man, me I tell you.
Oh, for real?
Yeah, once you plant them time you see plant and see those long.
Wow.
Yeah.
What are some of the best crops to plant now, in this time now? Summer. We're heading into summer right now.
You plant dasheen, you plant banana, you get them. Especially dasheen time right now.
Right now.
Yeah. You want to get dasheen and plant it now.
Wow.
Yeah, man. I'm going to plant some next week, you know. I already plant some already. Next week I'm going to plant it. Right down till August.
Right down till August you plant dasheen.
Can plant from now but straight till December.
Dasheen. Wow. Some might hear you answering all of these questions, you know, bro.
Yeah.
And they might want to know. Did you go to any farming institution, any school of farming or no, if you know all of them things?
No, I know I'm not going to school though. As I mentioned, I grew up around my grandparents then. They're all-time people there. We used to work and don't have television around them. No Google never used to there. No internet never used to there. And then they do them thing and it comes to perfection, isn't it? So at them me learn from.
Naturally.
Yeah, naturally.
So you're just a natural farmer.
Yeah. You know, go up on Google and go look and see and get natural farming. Learn from the great them. Great ancestors.
Alright, making another turn now. Peace eye journey down there, so come right up. So we're heading up there now. Yeah, man. Up here, so we are going up in the bamboo walk now. Yeah. Nice. And going up on the new farm. The type of farming that you do.
Yeah.
What's the hardest part about it?
The hardest part about it when me a farm and when me a plant dasheen. Dasheen give me challenge. You see, like Kayafi, plow up the land and then you sink it under the diversify alone. Because I'm a alone farm, I'm alone do my thing. So it kind of challenge. But anything else, I lease. It's not so bad. You plant them, you just clean up the land and dig one hole. When me a planting, me dig like me I go plant 100 plant, me dig 100 hole today and tomorrow me just come put them in easy. That's how me do it. But dasheen now, you have to just dig with the picker and I sink at the same time. Yeah, so me do it. Them one here, they're very small and I tell you say next time when I come, I go see how big them is as you can see. Yeah. And the breeze, you see do them you know, I tear we leave them say no, because we get some hard breeze from the other day.
Yeah.
It come off of the sea, you see it come up.
What's the view?
Yeah, I tell you, I just because the Sahara just make you see the place so dark.
Oh, still getting the dust?
Yeah man, it's still say hillside them, normally the hillside them would have bright right now. The Sahara dust.
Big!
Yeah man.
From the last time?
Yeah. And them will get bigger and bigger. Yeah. So I told you, the picker at this muse and create the damage and I dig out the Sarsaparilla, the chain root them. This me use plant, this me use dig up the land for sow carrot, we plant the sweet potato. Yeah man, this year, whole heap of work this do.
Wow.
Yeah.
Climate changes.
Yeah.
How does that affect your crops?
Well, it affect we big time still, you know, sometimes because, alright, for distant, we have plants carrot. We are sow carrot. Carrot that thing where we get rain and water. That's why we plant it like in October go down because you know so we are going to have rain in them time there, sun and rain. But you see if you plant it now, now come to now. The only way if you plant it now and it come to something, let's say you have water, irrigation, you have sprinkler where you set up, that's the water can. But if you don't have that, it don't make sense to sow carrot them at time. Yeah. But everything else like plant and banana, them thing there, them they will survive the sun. Yeah. But
so climate change is not really affecting your crops like it affect them, but not to a certain extent, like especially the type of stuff that you plant.
yeah.
Like the plantain and the banana and them thing there, you know. The yam and them thing there.
Yeah, you know, affect
The
them.
climate change not
no,
really affect
no,
those.
it not affect. I like
So
the
whether they getting ton of rain,
or not, it not do nothing at all. It
whether
more
they getting sun,
yeah,
nah trouble
it
it.
not trouble it at all. You more if you make it come even better. Yeah, but you see like certain catch crop now, you
Yeah.
can't manage too much rain, too much sun.
Carrot,
Carrot,
go on.
yeah, carrot.
Or cabbage.
Yeah, said way.
Mm.
Yeah, said way.
Alright. So what we are gonna do now?
You know we are go dig one sarsaparilla. Wait, mango I drop off a tree, you know, long mango.
What kind of mango this?
Long mango.
Long?
Yeah, call it long mango. Yeah.
Long mango.
I know say we could have whole heap of mango now, you know, just because say the rain it burn off the blossom them off of the tree. Yeah, so we don't have enough on it. But the tree the blossom wicked, me I tell you, man. And the rain did fall and burn off everything. Alright people, you know say some sarsaparilla I go look right now. See me have the tool here, the great tool, the picker. You know you have to have the machete and the picker to dig it. So come along with me, come see what I go on.
Like how they small, so they good?
Wow, yeah man, ain't good man.
Long mango.
Yeah man, ain't good bro. Good steady man.
The tree, yeah. Hold on, the
And
two tree them are long mango?
Yeah, see couple well there in it too.
Long mango.
Yeah man, that's how we call it.
Whole heap of them up here, man.
Yeah man. Alright, see sarsaparilla there bro. Right to that mango tree there.
Wow. And it's small. How tiny.
They're sweet one.
Tiny and a pack of punch.
So I say bro, if you just keep...
Yeah, worm or no worm. Gone nice.
Nice vine too, you know. Nice vine of sarsaparilla too, you know, bro. See it?
Where is it now?
See it right here, foot.
Hold on. This right here?
Yeah man, that is called a sarsaparilla.
This vine you may look on?
Yeah man, two of them there.
Wow. More mango there.
Yeah,
Kind of mango.
stringy.
Oh, these are stringy.
Yeah. So I have to have the machete too to clean the place before you.
Before you do the work.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright. And now I best time now for dig it because the new moon gone a long time it come to full moon now. You see? So on time in, you see it?
Wow.
Yeah. Ready now?
Yeah, man.
Alright. So Alright, this is a good old sarsaparilla. Natural sarsaparilla. So them are fat, them are well ripe, you know, man.
Well ripe.
Well ripe. Now young now in it, you see me? Well mature up. Yeah.
Tell me now.
Yeah.
The benefits.
Alright, yes, it's
Before we get into how people prepare this, because people that love to know how them prepare, right?
yeah,
But tell
yeah.
me first the benefits of that sarsaparilla.
Alright. Sarsaparilla benefits now. If you have jaundice, see when baby have jaundice, it's good for boil tea for them. If you have asthma, it's the number one thing for asthma. If you have asthma, you boil it. If you have skin irritation, if you have sickle cell, you boil it and thing. You see me? It's also good for cancer to said way. Yeah, man, you know, say people suffer with cancer. So you see the sarsaparilla now, it's very, very good.
Wow.
Most people not even know say sarsaparilla in a roots. You see most of the roots them you see you drink like all the baba roots and them thing there, sarsaparilla in it. Because it's very good for your body. You see me? Yeah, man. Well ripe, you know. Yeah. And it's kind of dirt where in a black dirt make you see you have them black color upon it.
Yeah.
Kind of dirt black. Yeah.
But tons of nutrients.
Yeah, man, tons of nutrients.
Wow.
And the thing about it at the right time now me I dig it because I'm a new moon now.
Oh, so you don't dig this in new
No,
moon?
you don't dig it as it go spoil and it will run your belly.
Oh.
You see me? And it not go work the way how it for work, you see me?
Supposed to work.
Yeah.
Wow. Now, the preparation.
Alright, when I do it now, I just get it, but it's like I agree now, the best time now if you consume it when it's dry. You wash it off, you put it for dry. Then when you go consume it now, you wash it off, you put it in one pot of water from overnight, make it soak in the water. Then in the morning, the same water where you soak it in, you boil it, you just tip liquor. If you not have honey, you can put liquor lime juice in it. You can tip a little bit of sugar if you want, but me just drink it said way. But honey or lemon juice are the best thing to sweeten it and drink.
Just like that?
Just like that, and you're good to go. Yeah.
Sarsaparilla.
Yeah, man. Sarsaparilla, the good sarsaparilla.
Whoa. Oh my God. So, first man see this.
Yes, I first.
If them alone, I see
Yeah.
them in, you know.
I see it in a real life, you know.
No, you know. See
Yeah.
it in real life, bro.
Yeah, bro, real
Yeah,
way.
So the roots them, all of them roots I'm look on right now.
Yeah.
Them I go way back up.
No,
Or
it connect
oh,
to
it's,
this.
Oh,
Yeah,
oh,
connect
this
to
are
this.
the tree
Yeah,
itself,
the
right?
tree,
That's
this
so-
is the tree itself.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. So everything stop right.
Yeah,
That's
so
and the roots them spread.
They spread all about, all over. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's something like grow along in the roots and gone way over there, say, you know. And the dirt, you know. Notice how that one along? Watch
Yeah.
it. See it all?
Yeah, man. Sarsaparilla. So we need them sarsaparilla. Let's get into that. How do people contact you to get these things if them need it?
Alright, if you want contact with me now, you can go over my Instagram.
Naturally.
At Jamar, that's Jamar underscore, no. Jamar, Jamar space D, that's a DI space farmer.
Naturally.
Yeah, naturally.
So Jamar space D space, farmer.
And when I say space, you know, people, I don't mean SPACE, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know.
They'll go dash.
Yeah, yeah, you know,
Yeah,
those
yeah, yeah.
Jamar, you have a little space.
Yes.
DI.
Yeah.
And little space again, farmer.
Alright.
Yeah, yeah.
They say that, I'm going to type in JAMAR.
Space, yeah, cause some people,
SPAC.
yeah, some people think, you know them way,
Yeah,
they think
yeah.
that.
For real, for real. Yeah, man. So see the people, this is
Sarsaparilla.
Sarsaparilla.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Good
Wow.
Sarsaparilla.
How often you take this?
You can drink it for all 9 morning straight and then you stop.
So 9 morning straight?
9 morning straight, then I just cool off of it for a while. You eat a break for all a month.
Yeah.
Or 1 2 months, then you start again. That's how you do it.
Oh, wow. So these them small vein though, you know?
No, them I know eat. Them I know. Yeah, them I know eat.
Yeah. Oh, bro.
Yeah, man.
Amazing, bro.
I have to know the sarsaparilla, you know, because look here. This is a sarsaparilla still, but just look on them in the bush here. You see this? You see through there in the same place as sarsaparilla there? If you don't know, you will draw it up and think of sarsaparilla.
Then I meet,
Right, exactly.
So why difference? And a bush is?
Yeah, bush, wild bush that.
My God, I'm sure things right.
Yeah, so that's why you have to know how it goes, you see me? Because you will draw it up, because when you dig a sarsaparilla, you know, you find all kind of different bush and vein in the same place. So you have to know, say, alright, this is not sarsaparilla, this is a wild bush.
Does it have a smell though?
No, you know, it don't have no smell. It just natural. Yeah, just natural.
Wow.
Yeah, I go just left this and now. So next time I come up and now, I just dig out it fully, you see it?
Also, in a done.
No, what?
Holy.
Sarsaparilla leave your foot there.
All back of them
Gone up
places.
so gone back at it all about. Yeah, man, I saw them as something a beer. Yeah, man.
Okay.
Where your foot there, you gone up there so, you gone all about. That's how you stay.
And
You see normally when I dig sarsaparilla, one sarsaparilla he'll like you 20 pounds, you know.
20 pounds?
20 pounds, you know, when I get out. You see, sarsaparilla is a whisk, it's light, so you know you have to dig a whole heap to get all a pound. You see me so? Yeah, so you see when time I go all a bush, bro, I mean I look them as something here, I dig a bush the whole day, because through a whisk, you have to dig a mount for you go pound. So when I go a bush, go look sarsaparilla. Them a time here, I left like all 5 o'clock in the morning. So in time I reach bush at like 6 o'clock. So I start doing work, you see me? And I left all 5 o'clock in the evening, said we come home back. And sometimes I come home back not even 40 pounds I don't have.
Whoa.
You see me? Because it's hard to dig. This is one easy, you know, because you see no tree vein, no vein there. So normally some of them, you have to chop with tree, you see me? Yeah, so that one is easy one to dig compared to some of them when I buck up pan in a bush. You see me? Yeah. Yeah, man. So.
Use him one vein, wrap him up.
Yeah, man, that's how we do it, you see me? Yeah. Look at work this I do, you know, bro.
Oh, God.
All I work them when I do on my farm, at this I pick I do it.
True.
Yeah.
Wow.
This I have to go frame this.
Frame
Yeah, what God.
Come on, I can't feel, man.
Yeah, whole heap of work it though. You see this beer, you know, you see size vine, and it never dig it. It never dig it, you can't tell.
Never dig it.
Yeah. You see if it dig,
it's full of...
you see if it dig, you see some white. I'm not sure. Let me see. Not even see none. Be sure you never dig it. It's like how you see this look. That one here. Like how you see it look, but it is more like whiter. if you did dig before.
True.
Yeah, but this never did get
this
like first.
is
Yeah,
just a
first
first
is a
touch.
so you know say a whole heap of Sarsaparilla and I need this right now.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I'm not ready to take out all like it, you see me?
True. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Sarsaparilla.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
You know, wash it off and put it for dry because if you consume it, it have to dry first, you see me? No herb, nothing. You can drink it green, you know, but by right, it have to dry first before you consume it, you see me?
How long it take to dry?
Depends on how hot the sun is, you know, you see me? And how me dry it now, it's like for this and say, me I go put it on a zinc now to dry. I just put on the zinc here, so put another zinc over it and get some palm tree and put over it to said way. That's the substance now come out of it, you know?
Yeah.
Because substance will dry out of it completely, you know, so you have to do it that way there. Yeah. Yeah, so maybe I go cut one plant, right?
Cut a plant now.
Yeah.
Wow. And this is it right here. Nice. Cut a nice fresh plantain.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Nice bunch of plant, you see?
Nice bunch.
Yeah, man. nice bunch.
Whoa. Oh,
Yeah.
boy. Yes, man.
Yeah, man, I go chop off. And when I cut the plant, you have it, most people don't know, so when you cut the plant, you have to cut off, chop off, cut down the tree completely. Because if you don't cut down the tree, it will make borer eat down the rest of the plant them.
Yeah.
Yeah, so therefore, you have to cut it.
And then you want all these small trees get the nutrients
Yeah,
also.
yeah, so you have to cut down this for them get to build up, you know. You have to cut it way down to like, I say, if you left this stand up, man, borer kill out all of the sucker, all of them sucker, you borer that kill them out, you know what I mean?
I don't want that.
I don't want that at all.
So nice.
Exactly.
Wow.
Yeah.
What is one thing about farming that somebody who doesn't farm wouldn't know? So something about farming that somebody who like myself that don't farm wouldn't know. It could be anything at all. Anything. Just I get time to think about it. What do you think?
Alright, you see a planting take 9 months to come in just like a pregnant woman take care of a baby. If you plant a plant right now.
Oh, so it mimic a woman.
Yeah, so alright, you see like the sucker them now we left back, it now go take 9 months, you know. We come up in it, but when you plant this now, a planting, it take 9 months before you can get a plant to eat. Yeah, just like a pregnant woman. You see me?
So mimic a woman.
Yeah, but the sucker them round it now you come up, it now go take 9 months to shoot. Take couple months and then they shoot up, because they done there already long time, you see me? But the fresh one now we you plant, because if me dig out this right now and go plant it, we in July right now. August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April next year I get planting.
Wow.
Yeah.
9 months.
Yeah, man, 9 months, you see it? Yeah.
Wow.
So you have faith when you do it, you see me?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So all these other plantings, in the farm. All of these and big
Yeah,
ones,
the other
everything
plant
in
now
the
left.
farm.
Yeah.
Them they are gonna market.
Yeah, man, I got a market. That's why I say I wish me have a vehicle for myself. That's me can go around in Jamaica and go sell them. Because that me always, go around, rent car and go around and go sell. But when I do it, sometimes I just see man who me rent the car from make the money, you see me? Because if you go so far and thing, I left from here so go all to Manchester, St Elizabeth and them place there. So you see I have my own vehicle now, I will make a money, you see me?
Yeah.
Yeah. And some of the time we are book up all police and some more while on all the road.
Trouble again.
Trouble again, you know the thing going on Jamaica, you see me?
True.
Yeah. But now my farm lies, because I have my farmer's ID. So anywhere I go right now, I don't have to think about say if police stop me, then I can seize my goods because I have my farm license, you see me?
True.
Yeah, and I walk with my uncle when I go up on the farm, I don't walk with my farmer's ID. But anywhere I go in the street, I walk with it. You know them way there? Yeah.
And for everyone who didn't know, from Montego Bay, from one of Jamaica's most dangerous city.
From the heart of the ghetto, from the violence in the heart of Mobile, Mount Salem, you see me? Yeah man, a canal lane where they call jungle. You see me? That's where I grew up. Then I go gutters, go live same place in Mobile. Then I go all about in Mobile until I come in at the St Mary space and I start to the farming and thing. I'm proud of myself which part I reach right, you see me? And which part I come from, I now go back. You see it?
Wow.
Yeah. So man, you have weight to it, Yeah man, below muscle if you lift up them so. It's soon shoot, It's a shoot by next week.
So you know when it's going to shoot?
The art leave.
Oh.
Yeah, it's soon shoot.
That's how the art leave?
Yeah, it's soon come up.
That little centerpiece.
Yeah. The plant, a matter of fact, you can see it right here, so the plant right in the little part there, so by next week you see it come out. The plant just start shoot out, you see it?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
That's a vibe. On the farm.
Yeah.
With Jamar.
Yeah, man.
General. Hope you guys appreciate these contents. Bless up to everyone who tune in. And as I say, they are one of the greats. My J is not just a great farmer. He is also a great father. A great human being overall, Yeah, man. And there, in the farm, crazy vibes up in the hills at St Mary.
Yeah, man, most definitely.
Remember to subscribe. A lot of you guys still not subscribe, and please just take your time out to subscribe, and also go over to Jamar page also. Me I go pin it in the description so when we see it. His Instagram will be there, his YouTube channel will be there, so you can just subscribe and watch his content also. But as I say, they are up in the hills. Give God thanks. Manners again, bro.
Every time.
Crazy vibes. Who pass through, cause Jamar say, yo bro, me have something for you, So pass through, You understand? So big respect to that. And crazy vibes up in the hills, yeah. Natural vibes. Subscribe and look out for the next video. You might never know where else we're gonna end up. But you don't know the vibes. Yard life's good. Yeah man, look on them, man. Oh yes. Sweet potato there too. That's a vibe. And before I forgot, Mark said it's one thing. What makes you happy? Just overall, what's that one thing that make you happy, bro?
Why, what makes me happy, to tell you the truth, when I farm my things, and I come back and see them have good. Like how I can see plant then shoot and I can cut one, that make me happy, I swear.
So you just love farming, just like that?
Yeah, I just love farming, and my joy, and my comfort zone, the farming, you see me?
Wow.
Yeah. Anytime I come here and I see things them from the tree, I just feel nice, it's a joy, it's a pleasure, you know what I mean?
Wow.
Yeah.
Naturally, bro.
Natural, we are tell you.
See that again. My J. It's how you carry down your stuff them.
Yeah. Just like how I carry stuff. All 150 pounds of yam in a bag. Set yours up on the back. And a miles when I come from, you see me? And I like a meal.
Miles you have to travel with it.
Miles.
My God, man. Vibes off of the hill.
Yeah.
Just coming up. Yeah, come off of the hill. Hey, I'm clean up over there and thing. See, boss, come and see Sarsaparilla.
This is a big fire over there.
Oh, yeah, it's a huge fire.
Terribly.
Yeah, man, huge fire going over there, so. Huge fire going up in there. Sarsaparilla. That's a vibe. Yeah, man. So if you guys want, just link up.
Yeah, man.
If you want Sarsaparilla, just.
Cheney root, duck flowers.
So also the cheney root.
Yeah, man.
So if them want the cheney root, them can get it also.
Yeah, the cheney root now good for back pain. It good for clean your blood, clean out your blood. It good for stamina. If you want stamina in your waist, the cheney root.
Cheney root.
Yeah, man. Give your stamina in your waist. You see me?
Oh wow.
Yeah, man. First, if you mix it with the sarsaparilla, and not normal.
And the duck flowers
No,
also.
No, the duck flowers now purge. You
That
detox your body.
That detox your body.
Yeah, but you see this and the cheney root, and I have one thing when you Ramoon.
Yeah.
You mix in three together, man. A judgment.
Judgment.
Not only like bedroom fantasy, you know, but it good for certain whole heap of complaint. It good for jaundice. It good for rashes. It good for kidney problem. It good for cancer.
All of them stuff.
Everything you think of.
Yeah, man. Remember, the amount of time I tell you know, I always have to remind you know. The amount of time I tell you know already, but still I got to remind you know. The GoFundMe for Jamar, if you guys want help out, please, I beg you do so. Please, I beg you go over there. Give bro $25 and $20 you can put over there. Help him out. See, I rode this with the one. Yeah. We have to walk on the road, go way up so, and then we have to turn up in the hill. 1,000 miles up in the hill. Jeez. And then, you know, this is how him carry him goods them. This is just a small amount. Not all in this. Not all in this is just a small amount. And this is how him carry him goods. Miles him have to walk with it, and then him have still have to charter a car. And you know, boy, I don't know. Yard life's good. Hope you guys do appreciate this content as I said before. Please give a helping hand if you can, and we'll soon in the next one.
Yeah, man, big up enough people, and I want you to give me the support, because the system is a hard working, trying young youth, you see me? Yeah, man. Good old Sarsaparilla, yeah.
Big up.